name is Nicole Cervantes and I did the Master in Business Entrepreneurship. When I came to the Isle of Man as an international student, you not only look for like a good university or a good like master, you also look for like that community where that university is, because I speak Spanish, Spanish native language, then English would be a second language. I needed to improve a lot my English at that point. So when I came to the Isle of Man and I realized how safe, how close community it is still, and see that I have the opportunity also to do my master, and it was going to be work-based, so not only I will learn the theory, but I also will learn in the experience. I think it has all the checks for me at that point. After I did my placement with Biosphere, I actually have the opportunity to work for climate change at government. The door was open through my placement with Biosphere through the master as well. After that, I started working for the third sector for the charity junior achievement, and it was very useful for me. Like as a charity, you have to connect with different stakeholders to basically support your charity. And it was through all these different companies that I met during my placement with Biosphere and through the masters that I have managed to as well bring them in to junior achievement to support them as well. And I would say even all the theory and all the kind of lessons that I learned during the master, I put them in practice during when I was working for junior achievement as well. It gives you lots of experience. It gives you the opportunity to go to your own rhythm as well. So it's not that you're gonna be like super committed to do it in a certain kind of period. You can go to your own rhythm. You can mix it with your job at this point or with your other activities, or actually involve both the thing that you like and the master. That was another thing that it makes me actually pick this master, because yes, it was a business-based one and I'm from the psychology area, but I saw the possibility to mix both together and see how we can use the psychology tools into the business environment. I met different people who also did the master, and it was a lot of different careers, like from nurse, education, science as well, all integrated in that. So I would highly recommend if you're thinking to do something, you come in with this idea of how to like involve more with your area, but also get the approach of the business perspective. Just think in what you're doing now and what do you enjoy from your career, from the job you're doing, from the, I don't know, if you're still in university, what is the part that you're enjoying at the moment, and take that into the practice, into how you can make something out of that, and then select the master you want. And that's why I really like the work-based master that UCM offer, because you can use that. Maybe there's something that you're doing at your current job that you think it could be improved, or it can be researched more, so that you can take it to the master and just continue development. I would say look for those things that actually give you like the joy at your work, at your day-to-day, and that will guide you through what is the master you want to do or what you want to do during your master degree. So that's what I choose UCM.